Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your hardware is ready. Plug in and enable the microphone or headset, and verify it shows up in your operating system's sound settings so Zoom can use it. Once done, open Zoom and sign in, then navigate directly to Settings Audio to avoid in-call adjustments. In the audio panel, pick the correct microphone and speaker from the drop-down menus, and make sure exclusive mode is off so other apps won't block Zoom's access. Next, you calibrate audio levels to prevent clipping or inaudible speech. Use Zoom's test mic and test speaker buttons to hear playback and record a short test. If voice sounds thin or compressed, adjust the input volume slider and consider enabling original sound for music or high-fidelity mics because it bypasses Zoom's noise suppression. Conversely, disable auto-adjust if you require steady gain. Make sure to record and play back a short clip. When you join the call, monitor audio using the in-meeting controls. Click the arrow next to mute to switch devices' live or test speaker output. If others can't hear you, make sure your operating system's microphone privacy and app permissions allow Zoom to access the device, and confirm the correct device is selected. If problems persist, restart Zoom, try a different USB port or headset, and as a last resort, use phone dial-in so you stay connected while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.